Okay, I'm just going to briefly talk about why does Fubini work for type 1, type 2 regions, or also known as graphical. And I'm just going to think about a type 1 region for now. And the claim there was that the double integral was equal to x min, x max on the outside, and y min, y max on the inside. And these upper limits, inside limits, they depend on x because we don't have a rectangle. So the reason this is true is because of Fubini for the ordinary rectangle. So here's what you do. You're going to enclose this in an ordinary rectangle, and what you're going to do is, if we call these heights A and B, we already know that Fubini works. So all we need to do is just put f equal to 0 on the outside. And then we have just ordinary f on the inside. So that means this thing, if we call this r big, this is equal to the integral over r big of f, because f equals 0 outside r. Okay? So now we just apply Fubini. So now we have our x min, x max, and now we're going to put a and b here. And we still have f on the inside. And remember, this is a y, this is an x, so I'm going to put a y here and an x out here. Okay, so the trick is if you look at the range of y, it's split up into 3 regions, right? So we have b up here, we have a here, we have y min of x, and we have y max of x. F equals 0 here, f equals 0 here, and then we just have f here. So these two parts here, they contribute nothing, and the integral is just contributed by this middle piece. So this part right here, this is equal to y min and y max. And so now everything else is the same. That's it.